Hello, my name is Gail Lee, and this is my video assignment for my CIT 336 class, and this is Enhancement 1. In this assignment, we were to make a template page. So if you have my Acme template, and so we would have just the header, the nav, and the footer in there, and lay everything out right. If I go here, you'll see my home page, my local Acme home PHP, and in here we have the different pieces we're supposed to add, the title and the photos, the recipes, and have them all lined up right, and then our footer at the bottom. We're supposed to show you that this is responsive, so if I show you this way, if it minimizes down into what maybe a cell phone would be, it's responsive, everything wraps and moves down. The third thing we're supposed to do is show you that it has been validated. So if we click here on the validator, we can go to the local HTML, and so this validates. I scroll down, you'll see that there are no errors in the code, so the code is good. Back to my home page again here, I'll show you it validates the CSS. We click here. The CS says congratulations, there are no errors found. So this is my assignment for my Enhancement 1. Thank you for watching. Bye.